Top 5 Best Value Mountain Bike. Best products for your lifestyle, handpicked for you. Number 5. Mongoose Switchback Comp 27.5-inch Sport Trail Bike. This bike doesn't just handle trails, it conquers them. The Mongoose Switchback Comp Expert Sport is engineered for riders who demand control, speed, and reliability on rugged terrain. Whether you're shredding single-track or cruising forest paths, its lightweight aluminum frame and responsive 27.5-inch wheels deliver agile performance that heavier hardtails can't match. Choose from 16, 18, or 21-speed drivetrains to tackle steep climbs and fast descents with precision. Hydraulic disc brakes offer consistent stopping power, rain or shine, far superior to rim brakes on wet trails. Designed for both men and women, it's a versatile companion for weekend warriors and daily adventurers alike. Sure, it's not a full-suspension beast for extreme downhill, but for trail versatility and value? It's in a league of its own. Built tough, ridden hard, this is where capability meets confidence. Number 4. WEIZE 26-inch 27.5 Hybrid MTB 18-speed full suspension bike. Glide over roots, rocks, and rough pavement like it's nothing. This isn't just a bike, it's your all-terrain freedom machine. The WEIZE 26-inch/27.5 Hybrid MTB delivers unmatched versatility for weekend warriors, urban explorers, and trail-ready commuters alike. With its dual full suspension and high-carbon steel frame, it absorbs shocks better than rigid competitors, turning bumpy rides into smooth cruises. The 18-speed drivetrain shifts seamlessly, whether you're climbing hills or speeding through city streets. An adjustable ergonomic seat ensures all-day comfort for riders of any size. Unlike flimsy hybrids that sacrifice durability, this rugged build handles real off-road abuse while staying nimble on pavement. It's built to perform, not just impress. Just note, while it excels on moderate trails, extreme downhill terrain demands a dedicated mountain rig. For everything else? This bike's your confident, capable companion, ready when you are. Number 3. ZDZA 1000W Electric Bike for Adults. This electric bike doesn't just get you there, it makes the ride the highlight of your day. Perfect for urban commuters, weekend explorers, or anyone ditching traffic for open-air freedom, the ZDZA delivers serious performance with style. Its 1000W peak motor rockets you to 22 miles per hour, leaving sluggish e-bikes in the dust, while the 40-mile range means fewer charges and more adventure. The 26-inch wheels handle city streets and light trails with equal confidence, and the 7-speed Shimano drivetrain gives you precise control on any incline. Glance at the vibrant LCD display for speed, battery, and ride mode, crisp, colorful, and built to last. Sleek and light black, it's as sharp as it is powerful. Sure, it's not designed for mountain descents or cargo hauling, but for daily commutes and joyful cruises, it's a game-changer. Feel the wind, save time, and ride smarter. Number 2. SPATIAL 26-inch fat tire mountain bike with 21-speed aluminum frame and dual disc brakes. This bike doesn't just roll, it conquers. Built for trailblazers, weekend warriors, and teens ready to ditch the sidewalk, the SPATIAL mountain bike delivers unmatched versatility across 24-inch to 29 wheel sizes. Its featherlight aluminum frame slices through rough terrain, while the 8 or 21-speed drivetrain shifts smoother than heavier steel competitors. Dual disc brakes bite hard in mud, rain, or gravel, no fading, no fear. The ergonomic seat adjusts instantly, cradling your ride for hours without fatigue. Whether you're bombing hills or cruising forest paths, this fat tire beast grips like a predator and glides like a dream. Sure, it's not a full suspension downhill rig, and assembly takes about an hour, but for the price, performance, and sheer adaptability, there's nothing else that matches its balance of power, precision, and pure riding joy. This isn't just a bike. It's your next adventure unlocked. Number 1. EUROBIKE 29-inch mountain bike, lightweight aluminum frame, 21-speed, dual disc brakes. This bike doesn't just ride, it conquers. Built for trail enthusiasts and weekend warriors alike, the EUROBIKE 29-inch/27.5 mountain bike delivers unmatched agility and control. Its lightweight aluminum frame shaves weight without sacrificing strength, outperforming heavier steel rivals. Front suspension smooths out rocky paths, while dual disc brakes offer reliable stopping power in any weather, critical when you're pushing limits. With 21 precise gears, shifting is seamless, whether you're climbing steep inclines or cruising downhill. Compared to bulkier models, this design prioritizes responsiveness and comfort, making long rides feel effortless. You'll feel the difference in every pedal stroke, confident, balanced, alive. Sure, it's not built for pro-level downhill racing, but for real-world terrain and everyday adventure? It's a powerhouse. Whether you're hitting forest trails or city paths, this bike turns obstacles into opportunities. Ready to ride smarter, not harder? Thanks for watching Best Value Mountain Bike. See the description for links, details, and the best prices.